Today we are going to learn about one of the topic in cost accounting, that is material chapter, first unit of the cost accounting, 6th sem of BCom, 5th semester. Material cost is most important of the any goods. The production goods is out of total cost, material cost is more than. For example, the table cost is 500 rupees. Out of 500 rupees, 400 rupees material cost. Or material cost is most important of the any goods. So the material cost is valuation very important in the production department. The production department, first one, the production department is used the any goods of raw materials, purchase any from salesman, goods received and stay in the storeroom. The storeroom is most important of the raw materials, used, unused materials. The important is the purchase of goods. So first one, the production department is prepare the store ledger. Store ledger, the materials receipts are entered and issued and store columns. So the three columns are very important in the store department. Prepare the store ledger. The store ledger is, for example, problem this, from the following information prepare store ledger account under the FIFO method. The store ledger prepared by the four methods, very most important methods. First one, first in first out method, and second one LIFO method, last in first out, and simple average method and weightage average method. Four methods are prepared by the store ledger. So first important method, FIFO method. First in first out. Well, first in first out, it is the method of pricing the issue of material in the order in which the where are purchased. Any purchased goods is issue also first preferences. So this method is first problem. Example, for example, 2019 January 1st received 500 units at the rate of 20 per unit. And next day 10th date received 300 units at the rate of 25 rupees. And next third transaction 15th January issued 700 units. And next fourth transaction 20th date received 400 units at the rate of 30 for rupees. Next fifth transaction 25th date issued 300 units. So next 28th received 500 units at the rate of 40 rupees. Next one 31st date issued 200 units. Total received, purchased of goods and issued of. Total transaction is posting in the store ledger in the department of store department. So store ledger is prepared by FIFO method. FIFO method as for first column date column and second receipt column and third column issued column, next third column balance column, and subdivision of receipts, quantity of goods and each one price, total amount, and issued columns also subdivision of columns, quantity, price and amount, and balance column also subdivision of columns, quantity, price and amount. Total balance of material in the store, which amount and which quantity of store in the balance. So how many rupees of first one balance 2019 1st January 2019 January receipts 500 units. So date column 2019 January 1st entered in the receipt column, that is purchase or receipts equal, meaning so quantity 500 units at the rate of 20 rupees. So 500 into 20, 10,000 rupees, that is amount received from the purchase department. So this column also entered in balance up to date 2019 January balance date, also 500 units at the rate of 20, 10,000 balance at the store. On the second transaction, 10th date, received additional 300 units also purchased from the store department. So 300 units, 10th date, same month, 300 units at the rate of 25. 25 into 300 rupees, 7,500. So two transactions, first one 500 units, second one 300 units. So total two types of goods available in balance. So updated posting in the balance column. Updated police balance ante ikkada first one balance 500, last transaction entered in first time 20 rupees and 10,000 rupees, and second transaction 300 units, 25 rupees at the rate of total 7,500 rupees. This is two lots of available in balance. So two lots, 500 units 20 rupees and 300 units 25 rupees. Two units are available in the store. And the next one, third transaction, 15th date, issued 700 units as per FIFO method. FIFO method in first out. So 700 units issued from the store to production department. So production department, 15th date, this transaction is entered in the issued column. So issued column 700 units, first one 500 FIFO, as per FIFO method 500 issued first, entered in issued column 20 rupees, 10,000 rupees. Next, remaining out of 700, remaining 200 units 25 rupees, 5,000 rupees, total 500 units from the first transaction and 200 units from the second transactions. So remaining balance 100 units, 25 rupees, 2,500, it is store department balance as per date of 15th. Next, 20th date. 20th date, received 400 units, 30 rupees. Received column, posting in the, this transaction is posting in the received column 400 units at the rate of 30 rupees. 3 into 4, 12,000 rupees is available in store department. So next one, balance sheet is posting is most important. Updated posting as date 20th date is available 100 units, 25 rupees. Next 2,500 rupees. And next recent transaction 400 units received 30 rupees, 12,000 rupees. So as per 20th date, as per record in the balance sheet, two transactions available, 100 units and 400 units. Next one, 25th issued 300 units from the store ledger, from the store. So available 500 units and issued 300 units. So issued column, 25th date, posting in the issued column, first one 300 units as per FIFO method, first in first out. So 300 units out of 300, from 100 units first issued 2,500, and next remaining 200 units issued from the 400 units. 30th date, 3 into 2 ja 6,000 rupees. So remaining balance 400 minus 200, available only 200 units into 36,000 is available from the date of 25th. Next one, 28th day transaction, additional units received from the purchase department 500 units. 500 units 20th date. Receipts, posting in the receipts 500 units 40 rupees, 20,000 rupees additional goods purchased from the purchase department. Next one, available in balance as per date updated 200 units 30th rupees. Next 6,000 and recent transaction purchase units 500 units 40 rupees, 20,000 rupees is balance. So out of total balance is available in the balance sheet 200 and 500 units. So 2 lots of available in the store from the date of 28th. And the next one, last transaction, issued 200 units. Issued 200 units. So 31st date, last transaction, issued column, posting in the issued column as per FIFO method, first transaction is issued. So 200 units 30 rupees, 6,000 rupees. So total available balance in the balance sheet 500 units, last transaction 20,000, total balance in the store room. So this is store department is prepared, store ledger, very most important point. So in the first one, FIFO method, as per FIFO method, balance sheet 500 units 40 rupees, 20,000 balance as per January 31st. So, okay, thank you sir.